looks brown.
Tail.
Ooh, those looks like ears. Definitely brown. Big pointy toes. And a long snout? Could it be?
Aardvark. B. Tail.
That's a stick. 2 arms? Oh, 4 legs. Is that what I think it is?
It's a baboon. C.
Are those spots? Yes, definitely spots. Maybe it's a leopard. Ooh, a white and black fluffy tail. Can you guess? That's not a leopard.
It's a cheetah. C is for cheetah.
Let's just see again. That looks like water. Do you know what animal this is? Dinosaur scales. Pointy toes. And a long tail. This one is easy.
It's a crocodile.
The letter D. So it lives in the grass. It's got hooves. It looks kind of small. Little horns. Oh, this is a difficult one.
It's a duiker. Please subscribe for more animals.